back in.
I don't know why they're fucking sitting there. Straight in front of me, right there.
Yeah, I forgot we didn't send mine. Glad I got this out there.
I'm talking to Leo because I'm not good.
Hey.
Hey, how y'all doing?
We're good.
Are y'all with the ROTC?
We got one member of ROTC.
So you are just playing?
Yeah, we're just practicing.
Okay. See ya.
Have a good one. Just want to know if we were ROTC. I said once we're ROTC, we're practicing.
Who's gonna get their attention, I guess, from the front?
Is there someone right there already?
Huh?
Is there someone right there?
Right here?
I never saw the gate.
No, God, no, I hope not.
Okay, here we go.
You gonna get him or not? Are you really using the smoke? Yeah, that is good.
It shouldn't catch the thing on fire. It's cool burning. I think we reload when we move up. Fuck! That was fucking awful. What?
Ooh, hit, hit.
Hit! Hit!
Go. Stay down.